This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Kathy Morrison. Highly sought after home in MILLBRIDGE. Barely a year old with upgraded gourmet kitchen package, smart home enabled, state-of-the-art security and Wi-Fi hotspots throughout are just a few of the features. A beautiful open floor plan greets you as you enter the spacious entryway. The gourmet kitchen has upgraded granite and 9-feet island with custom cabinets and breakfast area. Laundry has new front-load washer/dryer. Primary bedroom is on the main floor, ensuite has glass shower, toilet closet and walk-in closet. There is a bedroom and full bath for your guests and a flex room that can be used as a workout/office space. Upstairs you will find another bedroom with full bath and a bonus/media room. Resort-style amenities and a full-time activity coordinator. One of the many pools throughout the community is only a short walk away. Lighted indoor basketball court and huge workout center, just to name a few. Please call listing agent at 704-778-9549 to schedule private showing for more information.